Guys, what's going on? Shifu Gregg here with the Authentic Shaolin Kung Fu School, and we are getting it on today with some snake style. Hey guys, what's going on? Shifu Gregg here with the Authentic Shaolin Kung Fu School. Welcome back to our Mythbusters. Today we're going to be going over some snake style again. We had some questions about it. People were really interested. They wanted me to bring it back. They wanted us to bring it back. So we're going to bring it back today. So we're going to show you guys some open mouth strikes. I'm going to also use some snake head or snake fish strikes. And that's pretty much it. But if you can, before we start, definitely subscribe, like, and share as much as you guys can. And if you watch all the way to the end, guys, we definitely have a surprise for everybody at the end. And it's not going to be like, surprise, and then we're going to leave. We're going to actually surprise you and give you guys some more techniques. So definitely watch all the way to the end, and please, guys, like, subscribe, because it's going to bring up the algorithm, and it'll be able to reach more people. So here we go. We're going to be working snake drill. So from guard stance position, again, I've always liked to keep foot and a half, and again, we're going to be going over traditional movement first. So we'll do traditional, and then we'll apply to a modern aspect. That's the concept of what we're doing here with Mythbusters, right? Because a lot of people think that snake is going to be here, and then we're going to go like this, and we're going to do Shaw Brothers stuff. And guys, that Shaw Brothers nonsense, it doesn't work. And that's not how we fight. In a traditional aspect, we're even fighting in a standing up posture. Even if we're going into a cat stance, we're still upright. We're not elongating our stances too much, right? So the first movement is going to be a snake's head block. So we're going to go snake's head block, snake head block, snake presses, and we're going to do what we call an open mouth, snake's open mouth strike. Okay, from here, I'm still in my guard because my opponent's going to throw the other hand. And this here is just from here, we're going to block, peel. This is a snake peel coming across the throat, and we're going to take the leg right out. All right, so what we want to do is we want to work the first motions. 1, 2, 3. So this is moving, grabbing, and moving forward. So 1, 2, 3, striking right to the throat. The next part is going to be here, and then we come in for the takedown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to take our opponent to the floor. So we'll move this a little faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down to the floor. Okay? The most important thing we want to work with is these blocks. So from here, obviously we can change this up and strike, and then come in and take our opponent down. We can come into the next part, so 1, 2, strike, and from this point we can take our opponent down this way, because he's way off balance as well. So it kind of all depends on what you want to do. So we'll go through this one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, strike down to the floor. And we go back to our guard. So guys, so we're here again. So foot and a half, foot and a half. My opponent throws 1, 2, and I want you guys to see this locking grab. So from here, there's a locking grab that's happening. From here, we press and then we strike. So if we switch over to this side, it might be better. So again, first lock here, when we come in, that's our strike. And if you notice, I'm coming up on my opponent. So even here, when I go this way, I can lock my opponent. I strike this way, I can go this way. I strike this way, I can pull my opponent in. So there's a lot of different things that we can do, and we can apply this to a more modern aspect. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, he throws, and that's when I come in. So the second part of this technique from here is the minute he throws, I'm staying in close. So this is what we call a hanging arm, right? It's a hanging arm, and a lot of different styles call this different things, okay? So again, from this position here, I keep my left hand up to protect. I keep my left hand up to protect, and I'm hanging the arm, and then pressing, and coming right to the throat. It's a throat strike, any way you want to look at it. So again, throat strike here, and then I come in, I can either strike the upper part of the thigh, or I can strike low, right to the calf. And that's gonna hurt like a son of a bitch. So again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then striking my opponent down. So you can see it on this side as well. taking this to a modern aspect, we're gonna work same side. Don't think left and right. But again, I come in and now I'm closing the gap with my elbow. So now it's 1, 2, 3. I strike with the elbow here and come right across this way. I don't worry about anything else at that point. We want to close the gap, we want to finish the drill. So I'm here, so I'm launching myself forward with that elbow. So 1, 2, 3, and then right off the top. So I'm taking his body off by using that thigh. So 1, 2, 3. We haven't even used the snake's head yet. Wasn't even thinking. So from here, we're stepping across and hitting. If I want to use a snake's fist, that's a low strike right to the sternum. So a snake's fist is either done this way, and the reason why it's called a snake head or a snake's fist because it looks like a snake head. So we can either use this to strike, which in other styles is what? Is a leopard fist, right? But because we're doing snake, it's called a snake's head. That's also called the snake's fist. This is called a phoenix eye. But we're utilizing the knuckle in the middle and we're drilling that knuckle right in. So we're pressing our opponent and coming straight in with that snake's fist. So we come in, come up, and then elbow in this way. So it comes in here, it literally comes in and then the elbow follows along. So here, right in that way, and then we press and then bring our opponent down. Again, 1, 2, 3. So I want you guys, bring that camera in here. So we're gonna press in here, 1, 2. The press is gonna set up for the elbow. So it's here. And then it's the push, right over the thigh. So I'm gonna do this fast, but try not to hurt my opponent. So it's here, and then step right over and bring our opponent right to the floor. So I hope that works out. Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks again for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and it helps the algorithm out if you can share this with as many friends as you can. The more people that we see coming on and watching, leaving good comments, the more that we will make more videos for everybody that's out there. Again, I really appreciate everybody being here, watching all the way to the end. It really helps with the algorithms. I said that, but I'll say it again. Helps with the algorithms. I really appreciate everything, guys. Remember, train real, get real. Look for the real stuff in the martial arts, guys. You got to be able to apply your techniques. We'll see you soon. So a horse stance is because of root, right? We want to be able to develop that root. So again, right from here, the minute he throws in, I'm here. I have my good horse stance. So if I can sit in horse and bring him right over my leg, then I'm in good shape because from here I come in, boom, right over, he comes right over that leg.